Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious chicken and adobo that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Friends, to prepare this delicious and amazing chicken and adobo, these are the ingredients. I have pink Himalaya salt, black pepper, Mexican oregano, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 3 garlic cloves, 3 bay leaves, half an onion, ancho chili pads, and of course, the chicken. I have drumsticks and 2 chicken breasts. Of course, you decide what part of the chicken you want to make in this amazing adobo. So let's get started. I am going to start first seasoning the chicken. I have drumsticks and 2 chicken breasts that I am going to cut in pieces. I am going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, Himalaya salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. We are going to rub it in, making sure that everything is nice and coated. Just like that. It doesn't take too long, but you need to leave it on the side, making sure that all those seasonings really go into the chicken. So I'm just gonna leave them aside while I prepare the adobo. I have the ancho chiles. They're dry. I am going to take the stem off. I'm not going to remove the seeds because I want the adobo to be nice and thick. So here I have half an onion, which I'm slicing, and I am going to add it to 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil. I am going to cook it until it starts releasing the aroma of the onion. I'm gonna add my 3 garlic cloves, and I am going to get them nice and golden brown. I am going to remove the onion, and now I am ready to start cooking the ancho chili pods. They're gonna change color, and you will notice they're gonna start changing color. Let me show you one. You wanna make sure that once they start changing color, you need to remove them. Okay, you just want to warm them up, start getting that infuse of the ancho chili, waking the ancho chili up, and gradually I'm going to be removing them. Once I remove every single chile ancho, I am going to add in the same pan the chicken. I am going to sear it from both sides, making sure that it's nice and golden brown. You want to lock in all those amazing flavors in the chicken. Here I have my blender. I am going to add all the ancho chili pods, the onion, the garlic, and to this I am going to add 3 cups of hot water. Of course, don't forget to use 1 teaspoon of the Mexican oregano. This is going to really give this adobo a delicious and amazing flavor. Look at this. Let it sit for a couple minutes so that the chile ancho gets hydrated. Making sure that you add the Mexican oregano, the 3 cups of hot water, and then you are ready to blend. Of course, you know that the salt is to taste. I'm going to cover it, and now I am ready to blend away. If your blender doesn't really blend really good, really dissolve the chili, then you need to put it through a sifter when you add it to your chicken. Here I have the chicken. It's getting nice and seared. And that's exactly how you want it from both sides. It really doesn't take too long for the chicken to get to this point. But making sure that it's completely golden brown, the way you're going to see it now. Once you have it like this, add your 2 tablespoons of the unsalted butter. I love using unsalted butter because you have control of how much salt you are adding to your recipes. Right after you add your 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, you are ready to coat the chicken with the adobo. This adobo is not spicy at all, but it has a delicious and amazing flavor. I am sure you're going to love it. I added just a little bit of water into my blender cup to obtain all those adobo that was left over. Once you add the adobo and you cover your chicken, lower the heat to medium-low, add your 3 bay leaves, cover it, and let it simmer for about 30 minutes. Medium-low heat. After the 30 minutes, look at this. It has reduced. It's nice and thick. And the aromas are just amazing. The chicken is going to be nice and tender, really moist, and it's really going to absorb the flavors of the adobo. Now I am ready to prepare the presentation plate. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe. Leave me a thumbs up so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. And if I could do this amazing adobo, you could make your adobo at home. And of course, when you cook with love, everything comes out amazing. Make sure that you really coat your chicken with this delicious adobo. Like I said, it's not spicy at all, but it has a smoky, delicious flavor that I'm sure you're going to love. My mouth is already watering. I can't wait to enjoy it. You could enjoy it with white rice, Mexican rice, red rice, or just enjoy it like I am going to enjoy it here with my family. I am going to warm up some corn tortillas. Of course, being very generous, and for the decoration, I'm adding a little bit of the seeds right on the top, and I'm ready to go. I can't wait to enjoy. So I'll see you in just a little bit. But let me show you how soft, how moist this is. Look at this. Cheers. I hope you enjoy it. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this delicious chicken with adobo. This is how I am going to enjoy it. With some tortillas and of course, lots of adobo on the top. Oh my gosh. Delicious. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing and delicious homemade recipe. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this delicious and amazing chicken adobo. See you on my next amazing recipe. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.